Hi everyone, I'm Vicki from cookingcronies.com, and I am going to show you very quickly how to make hummingbird juice. So it's May, the hummingbirds are migrating here in southern Colorado. I have one that's at least up, I think he's pretty much sticking around now. I've seen a few migrating, and you want to put your feeders out early just so that the migrating hummingbirds will, it will help them on their journey. Some of them really need a place to just stop and power up before they continue their migration. And so I have 4 feeders in my backyard. So a lot because my yard's not that big. I do not buy the store-bought nectar. I have not done that for years, and I do not use food coloring. I simply use sugar and water. And you can use organic sugar if you want. You can use spring water. I have good water. I use it out of the faucet. We do have a filter on it, a built-in filter on our water faucet. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to show you how to make sugar water or hummingbird nectar. So very quick. All right, we're just going to let it boil for about a minute, and then we'll remove it from the heat and let it cool. And you can keep it in the refrigerator. Anything that you do not put in your bird feeder that's left over, you can actually put it in your refrigerator and seal it, and it'll last up to about 2 weeks. And you do want to change out your bird feeders about at least once a week. That's what I do. You just make sure you rinse them out with nice hot water, and you let them dry, and then just put the clean water, the clean nectar back in. That way you just don't have to worry about any bacteria buildup.